Looking to upsize from a terrace house? The next level up would be a semi-D, and we have an excellent option right now here in Aminuddin Baki. This semi-D sits on a generous 3,600 square feet of land, and the wide frontage allows for a large car porch, beautiful garden, and an extended outdoor living area.
As you enter the house, you are greeted by a spacious living area. The stairs cleverly partition this space from the dining area and a cozy TV lounge. There's a convenient guest room downstairs with an attached bathroom, perfect for visitors or elderly family members. Moving further in, you'll find the dry kitchen and the wet kitchen, both designed for maximum functionality and ease of use. On the first floor, a spacious family area welcomes you, perfect for a relaxing evening. The master bedroom facing the front of the house is impressively large and bright. Right next to the master bedroom is a study room with an attached bathroom. This versatile space could easily be transformed into a luxurious walk-in wardrobe. Let's not forget to peek at the two other well-sized bedrooms, perfect for the rest of the family or guests.
This house is ideal for the multi-generational family with its spacious living areas and just the right amount of outdoor space. All at a stone's throw away from the groceries, the banks, and every amenity you can find in Taman. Want to find out more? Just head on to our website to check out our latest listings. I'll see you next Wednesday on my next video. Bye!